Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. If you guys want to know what I got in my bag, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I am going to unbag what I got from my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Right after, I'm going to do the unbagging of just my standard, the IPSY Glam Bag. So if you guys want to see that, watch my next video. I just want to see what I got. I'm so excited. But before I do get into that, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. Welcome, my name is Aisha. I love all things makeup. I absolutely love makeup subscription boxes, so you'll see a lot of that on my channel. I do mystery unboxes, I do makeup hauls, anything makeup related you'll see on this channel. So if you just like makeup like me, then I would say subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. Now let's get into the bag. Alrighty, so this retails for 25 bucks. You do get to pick 3 choices out of the 5. I never remember what I picked because they make you pick like a month in advance. So I'm always surprised along with you guys when I do my unbaggings or unboxings. So let's see, this is what the bag looks like. So it's another, sorry IPSY, no shade, no tea, but another corny bag that they gave us. I'm never here for the bags, but some people are. You know, it's everybody's personal preference. For me, this is not. It's not working for me. It's not working for me. But I do love IPSY, and I like the content they have inside for the most part. So that's why I still say subscribe to them. Because like I said to you guys in the past, if I don't like a bag or a box, any type of makeup subscription bag or box, I just unsubscribe from them. Obviously I pay for this myself. I like them. It's just the bags. I liked it when they got rid of the bags. IPSY, get rid of the bags again. I get something that I'd rather use than something I'm not going to use. Alrighty, so it's pretty full. Let's see here. Is there a card in here? There's no card inside, but let's see if there's like a card of some sort. Yes, there's a card. Okay, so I took everything out. That's what the bag looks like. It says IPSY inside. It says confidence comes from within. That is very true, ladies and gents. Alrighty, let's see here. So they gave another card with no prices or nothing about the product. I always say this, and this is just my opinion, so don't come for me, because I know we can look the prices up online for the people like,
oh, well, you say they don't have the prices, but, you know, you can look them up.
I know you can look them up. We all have the internet on our phones or iPads, computers, tablets, whatever. But it's just convenient to have it here, especially like as I'm showing you guys and stuff, to just tell you briefly about the product and the prices. So I just feel like if they make this, they might as well tell the prices and everything as well. But nevertheless, I never really look at these when they don't have anything else on them. So we won't pay attention to that. But it looks like I got an all makeup subscription. Yes, IPSY. But then again, I did choose 3 out of the 5 items. So 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get it pretty much everything you want anyway. But let me show you the first thing that I'm loving. I am loving these, what do you call this? Modos? M-O-T-D. Mode brushes. First of all, pink's my favorite color, hence the pink background. I have like 10 different background drops, but I tend to keep the pink one up the most because it's just my favorite. So that's like my favorite, so I just keep it up. So I'm loving this rose chrome packaging here. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. And I'm super excited to try these brushes. They look like a decent quality. They don't look like the best quality, but they look like decent that I can be able to work with them. And it does tell you, let me see. Oh, they have cute names. Like this one is called Standout Sweep. This one is called Miss Shady Lady. This one is called Come Through Contour. We got Tapered Contoured Crease Brush. And this one is called Smoky Detailer. So love this, and I definitely will use it. So far, we got 1 for 1. Can we get a 2 for 2? So what is this here? We got a NBY Neutral Edition 9-pan eyeshadow. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm not gonna know if it's really good or not. Let me just, it's hard to slide it out, so I'm just gonna go like so. Let's see here. Oh, the colors are beautiful. These are definitely Aisha shades. The pigmentation doesn't look that great, to be honest with you, but this is what the palette looks like. This is what she's given us. She's given us neutral tone. She's given us bronzy. She's given us bronze. She's given us a little bit of black in the corner. We got a little highlight. Loving it. And we got a little mirror on the back. So I will try it out, but like you can see like the black and the brown doesn't look like it's gonna be like too pigmented. But the other shades, maybe they'll be decent. So not bad. We got a 2 for 2, 2 for 2, 2 for 2, 2 for 2. Even though this could be 4, but I'm talking about 2. Alrighty, what else did we get? Ooh, yes. I love the Violet Voss eyeshadow palettes. They're super pigmented. Love these. Let's see. I think I chose this. This was one of my choices. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. I wasn't that thrilled with my BoxyCharm stuff that I got, my premium and my base box, but so far I am absolutely loving the IPSY Plus. So the IPSY Plus is definitely beating BoxyCharm this month. But look at these colors, guys. Come through eyeshadows. I'm loving the Wild Orchid, the Blue Violet. This color right here, Rose Gold in the middle above that turquoise. Guys, this is beautiful. I am super duper happy for this. The next thing I got is this Half Caked Totally Tubular Mascara. Never heard of this brand before, so this must be an indie brand. Let's see what the mascara looks like. Totally tubular, dude. I have so much mascaras. So much mascaras from these makeup subscription boxes, but you can never have too much mascara, just like you could never have too much lip liner, just like you could never have too much eyeliners. So I guess I'll keep this, because you never have too much. So I guess 3 for 3. It says that this is a vegan approved, so it's a vegan, from a vegan brand, I guess. I got I never know how you pronounce this. Is it House? It's Lady Gaga's line, House or Highest. I don't know. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I always say I'm on here because I love makeup, not because I'm a spelling bee champion. So do not come for your girl. But anyway, let's see the color. I think I picked this too. Oh, guys, look at this packaging. Yes, come through, Lady Gaga makeup brands. Yes, I'm loving that. Ooh, ooh, Lady Gaga. Do you guys see the strips? Oh, I just got a little on my hand. Do you guys see like the shimmery strip on the actual lipstick? Like, guys, you guys see that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, this red lip would have looked nice with this look I'm doing today. She's giving you soft glam with a little bit of smoky. This is called, I started doing my makeup, I'm like, I'm gonna do something natural. Then before you know it, I added the sparkle, then I added a little color in my crease. You know, typical girl stuff, but guys, this is beautiful. Yes, Lady Gaga, yes, Lady Gaga. So I can't wait to try that. I love the lipstick with the stripes on here, and I love red lipsticks, and I love, ooh, and it's magnetic. You guys see this? Look. Yes, let me show you one more time in case you didn't catch it. Yes, loving that. Ooh, IPSY Glam Bag. IPSY Glam Bag is doing their thing. I'm liking BoxyCharm. You guys are slipping. You guys are
slipping. It's falling. They can't get up.
I'm sorry. Anyway, Florence. This is I forgot what the girl's name is, but she's from that series on Netflix, that popular show that I can't think of. Oh, Stranger Things. She has her own like makeup skincare brand. I'm wondering, Florence by Mills. Is her name Florence? I really honestly couldn't tell you. But anyway, nevertheless, this is her brand. She's like one of the main characters. Well, she's like practically the only girl out of the group of guys from Stranger Things. And this is her brand. Ooh, this lip oil. She's giving you sunset. She's giving you tropical orange. She's giving you horizon sunsets. Yes, this is I'm excited for IPSY. I haven't done this in a while, but this is getting a 10 out of 10. This is getting a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah, I stopped doing the dance to the song because, you know, my dancing skills not that great, but I'll sing it for you guys for now on, but it gets a 10 out of 10. So I am loving everything, which is very rare. That I love how this kind of matches that. How cute, even though they're two different brands. Oh, I didn't know that Florence is cruelty-free and vegan as well. But I am loving, look at this, guys. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, a lip oil, a mascara, a lipstick, and a brush set. IPSY, everybody give a round of applause for IPSY, because IPSY Plus is, this month they were doing good. Last month I don't know too much, but this month your girl is super pumped. Super pumped. Can't wait to try all of these stuff out. Very exciting. What did you guys get? Was your IPSY Glam Bag Plus as good as mine? Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys didn't get a chance already, like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Show my channel some love. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you watched this whole video, then clearly you like my videos. So show your girl some love. Show me some support. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm slowly getting there. I appreciate everyone who's been subscribing. I love you guys. You guys are great. I have the best subscribers ever. We're a family. Love you guys to death. And like I said, stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be doing the IPSY Glam Bag. The one that retails for $12. Yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Love and miss you guys much. Bye.